everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video I will be teaching you how to make a luscious lip balm. Now this is the season of harmattan and a lot of people are battling with cracked lips and chapped lips, which is why I will be teaching you how to make this luscious lip balm to help keep your lips moisturized and also healthy. Now if this sounds like something you might be interested in, I want you to keep on watching. But before you do so, do not forget to give me a very big thumbs up if you enjoy watching this video. Turn on your post notification bell so you get to be notified anytime I upload a new video. As usual, before starting today's video, I will be showing us the various ingredients we need for the formulation. Firstly, we'll be needing some waxes, and what I have is simply silky wax and beeswax. It is going to help increase the melting point of the balm rather, and also help to thicken the balm. I will be using cocoa butter in this formulation. It is a very good source of emollient. Also, I will be using mango butter. Mango butter is rich in vitamin E and also vitamin C, and it is going to help lighten up the lips. Next, I will be using jojoba oil and sunflower oil. They are also very good source of moisturizers, and they will help to nourish the lips. They are going to make the lips soft, plump and healthy looking. Next, I also need a very clean beaker, a sterilized one for the formulation. I also need stirring rods to help stir the oils and the butter. Next, I need a spatula. And lastly, I will be using Azone oil, peppermint essential oil and Tocopherol. Hello everyone, welcome to my workstation. So firstly, I will be taking my oil and I will be pouring it into my beaker. Next, I'll be taking my waxes and pouring it into the oil, and that is the combination of my silky wax and my beeswax. Next, I will be going in with my cocoa butter. Like I said before, I do not like melting butters, but since the cocoa butter is a very hard butter that requires enough heat to melt, I'll be melting this using the double boiling method. And then I will be right back. Hey guys, so the cocoa butter and the waxes, which is the silky wax and the beeswax, have been fully melted, and this is what it is looking like. It is crystal clear. So I am just going to be taking my mica pigment and adding to the oil. Like you guys know, I really like to experiment, so I just decided to try this to see how it is going to turn out. So I'm just going to add a little of the mica pigment and I'm just going to give it a very good stir. Next, I'll be going in with the mango butter, and I'm going to be allowing the heat from the melted cocoa butter and waxes to fully dissolve it. Lastly, I will be going in with my Azone oil, Peppermint essential oil, and alpha Tocopherol, which is the vitamin E, and I'm just going to stir it up. Guys, this is what it is looking like after being in the fridge for 10 minutes. So I'm just going to put this back in the fridge so it can solidify properly. This is how it is going to appear on the lips. This is how shiny it is going to appear on the lips. Due to the mica pigments I added, it is going to give it this shiny look, and also the Azone oil I added is going to make it penetrate almost immediately into the lips.